Hello everyone. In this short video I'm going to show you how to get the IMEI number of your cell phones. The IMEI is a unique and personal number that each cell phone has. It is like a person's ID number. Each of us has a personal number that is not repeated with any other person. Depending on the type of cell phone, we may have one IMEI or two, depending on the number of cards, since each IMEI is associated with the SIM card slot. This number can always be found on the box of our cell phone. On a sticker that goes outside the box we will have the IMEI number of the phone, and also in old flip phones, of which the back cover was removed, so that the back cover was removable to remove the battery. Under the battery also came the IMEI number. But as nowadays all phones are completely closed and practically none of them can open the cover, as we did not see it on the box, we are lost. So if you need to get the IMEI number but you have thrown away the box or you have lost it, for example, I will show you how to get it out. To do it is very simple. We go to the phone. As if we were going to make a phone call, we put the keypad, there it is, and press asterisk, pad, 06, pad. With that combination, as you can see, we get the IMEI of the phone. In this case this is a dual SIM phone, so we have IMEI 1 and IMEI 2, one for each SIM slot. Well guys, as you can see, it's a super easy process, super fast to get it out, and well, in case you didn't know, I hope I helped you. If so, as always, leave me a like, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, and for my part nothing more. As always, a pleasure, and until the next video.